Fueling the fire, understanding a common English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, and our focus today is on the phrase, fuel the fire. Understanding idioms is crucial for mastering a language, as they often carry meanings that aren't immediately obvious from the words themselves. So, let's ignite our learning and discover what it means to fuel the fire. Fuel the fire is an idiom that means to worsen a situation or to intensify an existing problem. Just like adding fuel to a real fire makes it burn more intensely, using this phrase implies that someone's actions or words are escalating a conflict or problem. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, if two people are arguing, and one person says something provocative, they are fueling the fire of the argument. 2. In the workplace, if there's a rumor in the office causing trouble, and someone spreads more gossip, they're fueling the fire of the rumor. 3. In relationships, when a couple is having a disagreement, and one partner brings up past issues, they're fueling the fire of the conflict. Be cautious. Remember, using this phrase usually implies negative consequences. It's often used to advise someone against making a situation worse. Context matters. Always consider the situation. This idiom is versatile but best used in contexts involving conflicts or problems. Here are a few idioms with similar meanings. 1. Adding fuel to the flame, very similar in meaning, emphasizing making a bad situation worse. 2. Pouring oil on troubled waters. This is actually the opposite. It means to calm a situation down. 3. Stirring the pot. This means to cause unrest or stir up trouble, often in a sneaky way. That's all for our exploration of fuel the fire. Remember, idioms are a window into the cultural aspects of language, and understanding them can really enrich your English skills. I hope this video has been enlightening, and you're now better equipped to use and understand this colorful phrase. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.